gonna check my access to the outside. It's been about half an hour. Whoop! Woo! The wind caught the door. So there's my trench, which is, ooh, wow. Blowing. Wow. Incredible. Oh, get the door closed. Yes. Yeah, pretty cool, eh? I'm dressed again. I had to put my coat in the dryer and my hat and my gloves because, you know, if the power goes out, I want to make sure that, you know, my, you know, protective gear is at least dry. So I'm going to go out and do round 2 of shoveling to try and keep my door unblocked and my trench, you know, to the street accessible, as they say in the business. Anyway, I'll take an, oh my gosh, like it's blowing. It's like I'm having a hard time seeing just across the street right now. Okay, so I've been inside now for about an hour since I did my trench, and I already opening the door. It's already starting to drift again. Ooh. Holy shit. There's my trench. You see all that so my neighbor just shoveled his whole front sidewalk there, burying his car. Oh. Well, here I go for round 2. Report back soon. Alright, my trench. I've almost got one. To the neighbors. Just one little snowball left, and then I'll be through to the other guy who actually shoveled this side. That's a strong person. Very distressed. And the wind is making mountain sounds. Oh wow. Anyway. I've actually shoveled, like, scraped my windows because they were so covered with snow I couldn't see out, and I am kind of enjoying the view. Just a second ago though, the wind picked up a lot and the lights flickered, and I couldn't actually see across the street. So, I mean, at least I'm having an authentic St. John's, Newfoundland experience with this storm, because apparently it's like the storm they haven't had in 7 years kind of thing. Be kind of like the blizzard of '96, except, you know, Victoria never gets that kind of thing. You know, it's become a buzz phrase, the blizzard of '96. I remember it. You know, they had to bring in the military, you know, dig people out of their houses and stuff, but I mean, they're more used to this kind of thing out here. So, wow. I mean, wind, it's amazing what it does, all the swirls and things, and it, you know, I'm watching it right now because it's picking up the snow and doing really, like, cool things with it. And, you know, great. I can say that because I'm in this cozy, warm apartment here right now, and thank God for that. You would not survive being homeless on a night like tonight. So it's all electric heat here, so if the power goes out, the heat goes out. But because it's in the city, the water should still work. So it's like glorified camping, glamping, winter glamping, as they say. So for the time being, I mean, I still have Wi-Fi, so I have nothing to complain about. And I don't mind being here on my own. Like, it gives me a chance to, you know, organize my computer, laptop, desktop, and other stuff that you just never have time for because there's all these other expectations. You know, going out, going to the gym, so I didn't go to the gym today. However, shoveling that snow, that was pretty heavy work. So, and it's supposed to stop around 8 a.m. tomorrow. But it's supposed to be very high winds tonight and tomorrow. Even they've upgraded it again from, first it was 100-kilometer winds, then they said 130, now they're saying up to 150. So, I mean, if we had a wood stove, then there'd be, you know, no problem at all. I just hope that people are going to be okay. You know, the folks with electric heat. I've got a good down jacket, down coat, so, and, you know, I've got a great duvet, so I know I'll be all right. I know I'll be all right. I'm reminding myself of that guy who fell off the roof of the office tower. So far, so good, as he passed the 9th floor. And I still had a couple of Calm Toms in the fridge. It's spelled Quiddy, but they pronounce it Kitty Vitty Brewery. It's about a 4K walk from downtown, and it actually is out of town, which is cool. It's this neat little village, and there's a brewery, brew pub there. Beautiful view, nice rocky, mountainous sort of little hills and cute boathouses, and they have an incredible selection of interesting flavored beer. Like, it was really enjoyable. So I walked there yesterday because we knew Snowmageddon was coming. It's so interesting having like 2 days notice to prepare for such an experience, you know, and like everybody's waiting, you know. But it was kind of business as usual last night in the pubs. I mean, people were making, you know, jokes, and instead of, "Are you ready for Christmas?" it's like, "Are you ready? Are you ready for the storm?" You know, and I'm like, what does that mean? How do I get ready? So anyway, I got ready because I found out what to do. And yeah, so far so good. Why do I keep saying that? That's so annoying.